Have you ever noticed your nose becoming stuffy and your eyes starting to itch as the weather begins to change? If so, you may be one of the millions of people who suffer from seasonal allergies. These allergies, often triggered by pollen released by trees, grasses, and weeds, can make the arrival of spring, summer, or fall a dreaded time for many. In fact, approximately 1/4 of adults in the United States experience seasonal allergic rhinitis, more commonly known as hay fever. This common condition can significantly impact quality of life, leading to discomfort, sleep disturbances, and decreased productivity. The good news is that seasonal allergies are manageable with the right approach. By understanding the causes, recognizing the symptoms, and taking proactive measures, individuals can minimize the impact of allergies and enjoy the beauty of each season. Seasonal allergies arise from a complex interplay between the environment and our immune system. At the heart of this reaction lies pollen, a fine powdery substance released by plants as part of their reproductive cycle. While seemingly harmless, pollen grains contain specific proteins that our immune system can misinterpret as threats. When these proteins, also known as allergens, enter the body, they trigger a cascade of immune responses. In individuals with allergies, the immune system overreacts to these pollen allergens, releasing chemicals like histamine into the bloodstream. This histamine release is responsible for the characteristic symptoms of seasonal allergies. These symptoms can vary from person to person, but often include sneezing, runny nose, nasal congestion, itchy eyes, sore throat, and coughing. While seasonal allergies have always been a part of life for many, recent trends suggest that allergy seasons are becoming longer and more intense. This shift is largely attributed to climate change, particularly the rising global temperatures. As temperatures increase, spring arrives earlier, and winters become milder, providing a longer period for plants to grow and release pollen. Moreover, elevated levels of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere can stimulate plant growth and increase pollen production, exacerbating the problem for allergy sufferers. This phenomenon of longer and more potent allergy seasons poses a significant challenge for individuals with allergies, leading to prolonged periods of discomfort and potentially increasing the severity of their symptoms. Managing seasonal allergies requires a multi-pronged approach that combines proactive planning, environmental control measures, and appropriate medical treatments. One of the most effective strategies is to start allergy medication before the onset of peak pollen season. This proactive approach helps to suppress the immune response and minimize symptom severity. Consulting with an allergist can help determine the best medication and dosage for individual needs. In addition to medication, several over-the-counter remedies and lifestyle modifications can provide relief from allergy symptoms. Nasal Crom, a nasal spray containing cromolyn sodium, can help prevent allergic reactions by stabilizing mast cells which release histamine. Quercetin, a natural plant pigment with anti-inflammatory properties, has also shown promise in reducing allergy symptoms. Another reader-suggested remedy is stinging nettle, a plant often brewed into tea which is believed to possess antihistamine effects. While these remedies can be helpful, it's crucial to remember that individual responses may vary, and it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before trying any new treatment.